Hey guys, it's Crafty Studio.
And today we're going to make a chocolate lasagna dessert.
Without baking. You need 36 Oreos and you need to crush them into crumbs.
You're going to need a 1/4 cup of melted butter and pour it into the mix. Then you're going to use your fork to,
Pour it into a 9x13 dish.
Now we're going to stick it in the fridge and let it cool. You're going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese. And 1/4 of sugar.
Next, you need 1 1/4 of whipped cream. It's kind of hard to get out. And next, you need 2 tablespoons of milk. We used the hand mixer and
we manually did the rest. Now we're going to pour this mix onto the crushed Oreos. Now we're going to stick it in the fridge and let it harden.
After that, you're going to pour the chocolate instant pudding in. And next, you're going to pour the rest of the milk and stir it up till it thickens.
Put on the 3rd layer.
Now we're going to put it in the fridge or freezer so it'll harden faster. Now we're putting on the whipped cream.
Now we're going to sprinkle on the chocolate chips. You can put it in the fridge, which will take about 4 hours, but if you put it in the freezer, it'll take about 2 hours.
That's delicious, man.
I hope you try this at home. It was super easy.
And no baking required.
Bye!